Well, here we are in somewhere in Ohio in his apartment. Mario, yes, Luigi. I like SpongeBob. It's so cool. It's so. You like SpongeBob because you're a butthole too. I I hate that show. Why? It's so funny. Every time they're laughing. I only like iCarly and Victorious and freaking trash. Awesome Alice Luigi. What were we here for again, Mario? Good question, Yellow. Blue Yoshi. We were here so we could see, to see Bella's, brother. Diego. Who's Diego? Bella's cousin. Oh, I mean brother. Oh, look, here he comes. I'm Diego. Whoa, I thought you were extinct. Not all of you are extinct. What's the matter with you? Did you lost your pack? I killed my own pack. Did Mammoth help you? Yes. I don't know why it thought, but I'm supposed to live close with my sister. Okay, but you know all about monsters? Well, we know a rich bear that lives close to us in our apartment, deep into the dark woods. Wow, I'm a friend of him, but I'm also a friend of the monster. Which monster? You know, Beaster? You know, Beaster? Oh, Beaster? I'm just thinking that he might be the monster under our bed. No. This monster eats trash. He also eats the can. He always scares everybody, but he's just having lots of fun. What? What's so funny? I think funny. It's SpongeBob fish. Point the camera to the door. Ah! His cat slap out of it or also slap you right in the eye. Or I'll take out this loose tooth. In fact, ow! Oh my god, I have a loose tooth. I bent that tooth. That's alive. Ow! So loose. This one's so loose. Well, wait, let's go in the internet for some reason. For what? Glow in the dark guys in your closet. Back to the monster. I finally see everything what Mario and Luigi are doing, but I'm not that mean. I'll show Beaster. Whatever. That's it? Okay, now back with Luigi. Okay. Oh, dude, why do I always look at Amazon? It's so fun. Okay, let me see. Glow. Okay. Glow. In our shoes. Whoa, that's so cool. Well, then our shoes. That's so cool. I'm gonna go another again. Luigi, I will make him stab you right in the heart, Luigi. Sorry. Glow in the dark, guys. Glow in the dark eyes. Ooh, look how beautiful they are. I could have met that glow in the dark guy. Oh, creepy. Ugh, that is creepy. I don't mean that! These are really creepy. Okay, well, following the mods? Oh, I think that's the answer to everything. Answer to everything. Answer to everything. An answer to everything. This is everything. An answer to everything. Ah, let me just see videos. Wait, do you know a show that has monsters? Well, let's see. Oh, my pet monster. My pet monster. Let's just see it. Let's just see it. Or let's just let's just try to remember the face. Oh, he's the nicest one. Is he named Monster? Yes, he is named Monster. He's the mean one. I remember this show. Yeah. Please understand, he's my best friend. His name is Easter? Yes, it is. I think this is all wrong. He's just trying to put him in prison. Just because he's really good. He never lied. Why does everybody think that? Please point to the door, candle lady. To the door. Okay, well at least he's a dimwit. And